everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing kinetic sand. I've already started mixing it in the sake of time. It doesn't take very long and it's only 2 ingredients. So it's just baby oil and all-purpose flour. But I didn't have any all-purpose flour, so I ended up using a substitute flour. And it works. It just won't give you the full-on kinetic sand. Like, it's still working, don't get me wrong. And what I did was 4 cups of flour to half a cup of baby oil. If you were to do a full-on kinetic sand, you want to do 8 cups of flour to 1 cup of baby oil and just mix it together. I used a little spatula first to mix it, and then I'm starting to use my hands to fully get into it. You don't want it wet, mind you, it's kinetic sand. So you want it to be able to stick together. Now, once you're done, you're fully mixed, you can leave it in the bowl and play with it. You can add it to a shoebox. You can add it if you have little ones, you want to add it to their sand table. You can add it to their sand table. You can add like cars. You can add anything like letters, anything to make it more like a sensory table at that point. Or if you have sand toys, you can use sand toys. It's really just another fun activity you can do at your house, and it's only 2 ingredients. Most people may have flour. You could potentially use another oil substance, so if you have maybe some vegetable oil or anything like that, it should work. Just mind you, I would start off at little ratios, so maybe start off at like a 1/4 in mix, because vegetable oil has, more of a heavier consistency, and go from there. But all in all, it's like a fun little sand. You can even hide things in the sand, make it like a little treasure. You can dye it, yes, like a different color if you'd like. The flour is just kind of more of a yellow tint that I use, so that's why it looks more like a beachy kind of sand. Or you could, like I said, it's just a fun little activity to use. So, all in all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you next time.